Welcome everyone. Question on inorganic chemistry. How many S single bond S bonds are present in the structure of H2S6O6? Choices are A 4, B 5, C 6, D 7. Answer is B 5. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is the structure of H2S6O6. It has 5 S single bond S bonds, which are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Thank you for watching this video.